Looking for the best ring light under $30 for YouTube videos? In this video, I show you a cheap but powerful ring light setup that can instantly improve your video quality. This budget ring light is perfect for YouTube beginners, content creators, TikTok and Instagram videos, online business and tutorials. What you'll learn: how to set up a ring light, best lighting position for YouTube, before and after lighting results, honest review of a cheap ring light. Click the subscribe button and a notification for more helpful products like this. Ensure to get products linked easily be found under description below. About this item: dimmable ring light with touch controls. The 10-inch ring light features 3 lighting colors: warm white, cool white and daylight, each with 10 levels of brightness to choose from. 30 lighting options in total. It is designed with a touch panel for easy setting control, turning on off, lighting, effect adjustment, intuitive and fun to use for daily shootings. Durable tabletop tripod. The kit includes a sturdy tripod that is compact enough to fit in a pocket when contracted. Apart from serving as a ring light stand, it can also be used desperately as a camera stand for all sorts of cell phones, digital cameras, projectors and webcams. Universal phone holder. The phone clip can be extended to 4.5 inch, compatible with most smartphones, with or without a case, such as iPhone and Android phone. With a rotatable phone clamp, you can fix your phone to any angle you want: horizontal, vertical, high angle, low angle, and more with such ease. Wireless remote control. A wireless remote that allows you to control your phone camera and take hands-free photos from a distance up to 30 feet. It is compatible with most iOS and Android phones like iPhone, Samsung, etc. What you get: 1x LED ring light, 1x tripod stand, 1x phone holder, 1x wireless remote, lifetime friendly service for your purchase. Click to see more product details and link under description.